You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this national park, as well as how to say more interesting names from geography. There are many mispronounced, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel if you enjoy learning this Austral Andes. Well, it's in the Austral Andes of southwest Argentina, close to Chile, indeed. In Spanish it is said as Los Glaciares, meaning the glaciers, Los Glaciares National Park. And now, you know, more videos here for you on how to pronounce more interesting names that many get wrong. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.